Remember, I was saying that I had a huge crush on one lipstick for years, which was 696 from named Burgundy Blush from Maybelline. This one. But the problem is, see, it's really not popping out. What do I do? I'm dying to, literally use it because there are products. What do I do? Not to worry, but stay tuned. Here it's the box from Smytten. Can you see this, or am I holding it wrong? I'm so excited to share something. Smytten. Smytten is an app that is promoting a lot of new products. So I'm gonna unbox few things and show it to you. You can really get discounts and get certain new products that are really important. So I got hair mask which is of avocado from Plum. See, and again something from Plum, olive and macadamia rich nourish conditioner. And there is a liquid matte lipstick that I'm gonna show you for sure. This is a nail paint. It's in golden shade. I don't know whether it's visible or not properly. It's a beautiful shade. After applying only you can understand, and it's really good for all the skin tones. And which is very important is a lip brush. What a beautiful thing they have done is that the packaging was nice. See, I'm unsealing it right now, right here. So they have given me a cap, and these are just like the liner brushes. Lucky, wait. My dog's name is Lucky. So I'm gonna quickly try lining up. Let's see. Let's try. Goodness. Enriched with goodness only. Now I'm going to reveal the color of this liquid matte lipstick, which is from the brand named Makeup Girl, and this shade is actually going to wash my face off, so, but I love the color. Now what do? I need to get it. Okay, before applying any liquid matte lipstick, please ensure that you are rolling it. Moment of truth. I'm right now trying to be really okay, experimental. So this is excess part that you should actually put it inside. Why to waste it? Now let's see. It's going to wash my face off, but it's nice. And you know what? That was the technique. Line it up with a darker color, darker shade that doesn't wash your face away, and then you can apply this. Let it dry. Let's let it dry. By the way, this shirt was from back in 2015 when I was during my final year of BBA. 2015 or 2014, and since then it is fitting me so well, so I'm not fat. Even though, wait, Dara, Ashti, even though I have put on the filter, I'm not going to be like, no, I don't do this, no, I don't do that. No, I'm not like that. I am going to be very honest with you all, since I really want the videos to be approachable to the audience. So I keep it like this. I'm already 31 years old, but I'm gonna give you a lot of tips for sure. So don't troll me on this basis like I'm putting on the filters. Why? Because the business is going on and on. You see, people have come up with the apps, filtration apps, aging apps, age limiting apps, and what not. So I'm sorry, not age limiting. It's like you can look younger, or you can, let's see, make your face look how you are going to look at your 60s and all. See, we never know like how long we are going to live, but then it's good to feel confident, look presentable. I'm not saying to be beautiful. Be beautiful from inside, like with your behavior with people. If you are behaved good, behave good with them. If you are not, let go. Okay, so can you see? Can you just see how mattified it's now? It's time to see whether it's going to, let's see. Uh-oh, it hadn't dried up, but it has not really went out. I guess I'll have to make it dry some more, and I'll get back. I think it has dried up. Now let's try again. So it works. It really works. If you want, you can get them all too. Check them out. If you got Paytm, please, when you will see that you have got some points, let's say 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 6 points, you will have to pay a minimum balance, and then you can get it all at a discount level, at a very low discount level. These are samples and you can get them. Ciao for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and share, like it if you have genuinely liked it. I hope it was helpful.